What's going on, guys? Joshua from Frontier MTB here. I figured today I'd do a bike check video on what bike I've been riding on. I'm enjoying this bike so far. It's a 2019 GT Aggressor Pro. I ordered it from Dick's Sporting Goods. It was 50% off. It was $2.99. And today I'm at Creek Bottom Trail in Carroll County, Virginia. And my bike is pretty dirty and she needs to be cleaned up sometime. So let's get the bike check started. Watching these guys got me started. There you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the bike check video on the bike I've been riding on. Thank you and have a good day.